Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to care for Vinca plants. First, choose a location with full sun to partial shade for optimal growth. Ensure your Vinca is planted in well-draining soil to avoid waterlogging, which can lead to root problems. When watering, allow the top 1 inch of soil to dry out completely between sessions. This helps maintain a healthy moisture balance for your plant. For consistent hydration, water your Vinca deeply when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. During cooler months, reduce watering frequency significantly to prevent oversaturation, as the plant's needs decrease. To encourage lush foliage and abundant blooms, feed your Vinca monthly with a balanced liquid fertilizer throughout its active growing season. To maintain a compact and bushy shape, pinch back any leggy stems on your Vinca plant. This encourages new growth and a fuller appearance. Regularly remove spent flowers, also known as deadheading, to promote continuous blooming throughout the season. Keep an eye out for common pests such as aphids and spider mites, inspecting your plants regularly to catch any infestations early. If you live in an area with cold winters, bring tender Vinca varieties indoors before temperatures consistently drop below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Once inside, significantly reduce watering, as the plant will enter a period of dormancy. You can easily propagate new Vinca plants by taking stem cuttings and placing them in water. They will root readily, giving you more plants to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.